It's Sandra, and it's time to pick a winner for my June giveaway. So I have the, if you don't remember, I have the Black Cat Veggies. What's it called? Let me see if I can find it. It is called, I opened mine. I've been using mine regularly, which, you know, it isn't Halloween, but you know how I love Halloween stuff. So I might do my next one a Halloween. So this Black Cat stamping 210, and it's all the vegetables. And let me show you this so that you can see. So it was this plate upside down, and there's all the vegetables. And then I also am giving away this Maniology sticky stamping pad, and this was a Halloween one. So those are the two gifts. So let's see who wins. See if we can pull this down. All right, and the winner is Stamped by Jessica. Stamped by Jessica. So congratulations to Jessica. And all Jessica has to do is email me at nailstampology@gmail.com, and I will send these two gifts to her. So thanks everybody for watching, and I hope you're having a great weekend.